Tick-tock, tick-tock, dot. Have you ever wondered why your body seems to run like clockwork? Why you feel energized at certain times of the day and sluggish at others? The answer lies in the fascinating world of biological timing. Welcome to a journey through the science of perfect timing, where we'll uncover the hidden rhythms that orchestrate our lives and the world around us. Imagine a conductor, invisible yet omnipresent, guiding the symphony of life with impeccable precision. This conductor is our biological clock, a masterful timekeeper that influences everything from our sleep patterns to our decision-making abilities. But it's not just humans who dance to this internal rhythm. The entire natural world moves in a carefully choreographed ballet of perfect timing. Let's dive into the realm of circadian rhythms, those 24-hour cycles that govern our bodies and minds. Did you know that your ability to make decisions fluctuates throughout the day? It's true, your brain's peak performance doesn't remain constant. In the morning, you might find yourself tackling complex problems with ease, while in the afternoon, creative tasks flow more naturally. Understanding these rhythms can be a game changer for productivity and well-being. But it is not just about when we think. It is also about when we move and eat. Exercise, for instance, yields different benefits depending on the time of day. Early risers might find their strength peaks in the morning, while night owls could see better performance in the evening. And when it comes to eating, our bodies process food differently as the day progresses. Late-night snacking, your body might not thank you for that. Learning, too, has its optimal windows. Ever noticed how some information just seems to stick better at certain times? That's your biological clock at work, influencing your cognitive functions and memory consolidation. By aligning your study sessions with these natural rhythms, you could potentially boost your learning efficiency. However, our modern lifestyles often clash with these innate timings. Enter jet lag, the bane of travelers worldwide. When we rapidly cross time zones, our internal clocks struggle to keep up, leaving us feeling disoriented and fatigued. It is a stark reminder of how deeply ingrained these rhythms are and how disrupting them can throw our entire system into disarray. But humans aren't the only ones with impeccable timing. Nature itself is a grand timekeeper, with countless species performing incredible feats of sync. Take the great animal migrations, for instance, birds traversing continents, whales crossing oceans. These journeys aren't random. They're precisely timed to coincide with favorable conditions and abundant resources. The plant kingdom, too, operates on a finely tuned schedule. Flowers don't bloom on a whim. Their opening is a carefully timed event, often synchronized with the arrival of their pollen. It's a delicate dance of coevolution, where timing can mean the difference between thriving and barely surviving. Even the tides play a role in this grand timing scheme. Marine life has evolved to sync its reproductive cycles with the ebb and flow of the ocean. Coral reefs, for example, engage in mass spawning events that are timed to the lunar cycle with astonishing accuracy. It's a spectacle that showcases the power of natural timing on a massive scale. Shifting our focus back to human performance, we find that timing plays a crucial role in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take the world of sports, where Olympic records are often broken during specific time windows. It's not just about training and talent, it's about peaking at precisely the right moment. This phenomenon isn't limited to physical feats. The financial world, too, dances to the rhythm of daily cycles. Stock markets exhibit patterns that follow these biological timings, with trading volumes and even market sentiment fluctuating predictably throughout the day. Savvy investors who understand these rhythms might just have an edge in timing their trades. And what about those eureka moments? Those flashes of brilliance that seem to come out of nowhere? Creative breakthroughs often cluster around certain hours, aligning with our natural cognitive peaks. Whether you're an artist, a scientist, or an entrepreneur, understanding your personal creative rhythm could be the key to unlocking your next big idea. But how can we harness this knowledge of timing in our daily lives? Start by paying attention to your own rhythms. When do you feel most alert? When does your energy dip? By tracking these patterns, you can begin to optimize your schedule, aligning tasks with your body's natural ebbs and flows. Consider experimenting with your routine. Try shifting important meetings or challenging tasks 2 times when you're typically at your sharpest. Pay attention to when you eat and exercise, and see how adjusting these timings affects your energy and performance. Remember, though, that while these rhythms are universal, the specifics can vary from person to person. Some of us are early birds, others night owls. The key is to find your own optimal timing and work with it, not against it. As we wrap up our exploration of perfect timing, take a moment to marvel at the intricate clockwork that governs our world. From the smallest cellular processes to the grandest natural phenomena, timing is the invisible force that keeps everything in sync. By understanding and respecting these rhythms, we can unlock new levels of performance, creativity, and well-being. So the next time you hear that tick-tock, remember, it's not just marking the passage of time, it's the heartbeat of life itself, guiding us through the dance of existence with perfect, precise timing.